You'll be blown away by this beautiful house, or maybe just by my terrible jokes. Hi, and welcome inside. I'm Jake Tysiak with the J team at Keller Williams Infinity, and I want to invite you to our open house this Saturday, March 7th. We'll be out this weekend at 343 Waxwing Avenue in Naperville, Illinois, here in the Bay Colony neighborhood. Now, for those of you who are commuting and taking the Metro into the city, you'll really appreciate the Pace Bus service that comes through this neighborhood. So far as the home itself, it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath raised ranch home. Now, being a raised ranch, you have 3 bedrooms upstairs as well as a 4th downstairs in the English basement. That would also be a great office area as well if you need a little bit more privacy. There are 2 full baths upstairs and then of course that 3rd full bath downstairs. So that's 3 full baths, not just simply 2.5, so lots of space for everybody. Now as you walk through the living space, you'll definitely notice all of the improvements throughout the home. The home has brand new carpet. You've got great paint both on the walls as well as this new trim work throughout. Excellent light fixtures as well as little details including faucets, handles here and there. Now the living room itself will be upstairs, elevated a little bit, and you got the dining room right off there, of course that kitchen as well. And then downstairs you'll find the family room which has that wood burning fireplace. So again, I invite you to come on out this Saturday, March 7th from 12 to 2 here at 343 Waxwing Avenue. Explore the house, explore the neighborhood, come with plenty of questions. If you do have questions in the meantime, feel free to give me a call or take a look at the link below. I'm Jake Tysiak with Keller Williams. We'll see you this Saturday. Bye.